Most people will never retire wealthy, not because they don't earn enough, not because they don't work hard, but because they never learn how money actually works. If you stay with me for the next few minutes, you'll understand one simple system that puts you ahead of 90% of people without gambling, side hustles, or luck. Let's start with the truth. Most people focus on income. Wealthy people focus on systems. Here's the first rule. 1. Spend less than you earn, but not forever. Almost everyone knows this. Almost nobody applies it long enough. Living below your means isn't the goal. It's the starting phase. The goal is to create a gap between what you earn and what you spend. That gap is where wealth is born. 2. Automate investing before lifestyle. Poor retirees upgrade their lifestyle first. Wealthy retirees upgrade their investments first. Before a nicer car, before a bigger house, before vacations, they automate investing into simple, boring assets. Index funds, broad market ETFs, long-term growth. Not because it's exciting, but because it works. 3. Time beats talent. You don't need to be smart. You don't need perfect timing. You need time in the market. Someone who invests consistently for 25 years will beat someone who tries to outsmart the market. Wealth doesn't come from big moves. It comes from not stopping. 4. Avoid lifestyle traps. Car payments, status upgrades, monthly subscriptions that feel small. These don't destroy wealth instantly. They quietly delay it, year after year. Wealthy retirees aren't cheap. They're selective. They say no to things that steal future freedom. 5. Build flexibility, not perfection. The goal isn't to predict the future. It's to survive it. Emergency fund, low debt, liquid investments. Flexibility keeps you invested when others panic and quit. 6. Think in decades, not years. Most people ask, can I afford this now? Wealthy people ask, what does this cost me in 20 years? That question alone changes everything. 7. They treat money as a tool, not a score. At some point, money stops being emotional. It's no longer about proving anything. It's about control. Money becomes a tool for time, peace, options. That mindset change separates the top 10%. 8. They value time more than money. This is the final shift. Poor retirees chase money forever. Wealthy retirees chase time. They buy back their hours. They say no more often. They slow down without fear. Because the real goal of money was never money. It was freedom. Retiring wealthy isn't about luck. It's about quiet consistency. Simple system, boring habits, long time horizon. If you understand this, you're already ahead of most people. And if you want more videos that make money simple, subscribe and stay with Money Logic. Because real wealth doesn't shout, it compounds.